of steps. My legs are still burning from the Diamond Head hike. Yeah. And now there's more. It's pretty humid. I can understand now why people are like in the water. I'm getting kind of hot.
Down here, I think it's warmer than it was.
Then up at the top, yeah, it was pretty cold up there. All right, this is absolutely worth it. It took us about like 40 minutes to get here from Kaanapali where the hotel is, and it is a state park, so it's $5 to drive and $1 to walk in, but it's absolutely worth it to come and climb around on these rocks and be in this fresh mountain air. Katie's loving it. Underneath the limbo. Oh, this is amazing. Yeah.
We're all alone back here.
We're alone. Yeah, we've ventured pretty far off the main trail, and we're like way back in the.
Still on A trail.
We're still on A trail, but it's not like the trail. And there's not many people back here, which has probably been the best part of this so far. That it's just kind of us and this. Yeah, we haven't gotten any rain, but all the trees are all wet. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm getting really hot. It's getting pretty humid in here. Whew. The main attraction here is the Iao Needle, which is right there. But I think both of us have kind of liked walking the paths. Has been the coolest part.
This spot in particular is
just
gorgeous.
amazing.
Just start like on the needle or something.
Start with this amazing view right here. Amazing. We found this cool little bar, like shopping area back by the hotel. Okay, he's doing the hula.
Oh no, this is just me showing you.
Oh.
Hula inspired though.
Yeah. Okay, so we just got back to the hotel from dinner and some shopping, and we have to issue a slight correction. We talked to a local at this jewelry shop where Katie got Kiani Jewelers. Katie got a beautiful bracelet or neck or
the designs were really
ring.
beautiful, and the girl in there was so nice.
Yeah.
So here, follow her on Instagram. This is not sponsored. I just like them.
Not spawn. Yes, Kiani Jewelers. All the designs were like inspired by like Hawaiian things, but it was like subtle. It was really cool. But she told us.
So cute. She like wrapped a little bow
Yeah.
on it for me. So cute.
But she told us that it's called Iao Valley, and we were calling it Iao Valley
because we're from Ohio.
Because we're from Ohio, and we just pronounce things like how they look.
Iao.
But it's called Iao. So
Okay.
Iao Valley State Park. We'll show you the ring that Katie got. It's gorgeous.
It's inspired by sea urchins.
Yes, it's a
Everything
sea urchin.
was like not like blatantly the thing, but just inspired by things. So like they had like pineapple inspired designs where it was like the geometry of a pineapple, but not like a picture of a pineapple.
Yeah, and like they had a mermaid collection that was like mermaid scales. Yeah, it's really cool. It's not an urchin like Johnny Kapahala. Do the urchins snowboard? They live on the other side of the mountain. Anyways, I think we have to say that everyone here has been so nice. We've had so many great experiences with like just everywhere we go. Everyone
like our
has been
servers,
so nice.
just everyone has been so nice.
Yeah, it's been amazing.
Everywhere we go, like
yeah. I never want to go back home. We're just gonna stay here forever. We're gonna turn in for the night. We got an early morning tomorrow. We're gonna wake up really early and do the road to Hana, which we're very excited about, but everything we've read said you gotta start early because you don't want to be on the road after dark. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, create the life that you love, and we'll see you later. Bye.